Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So please tell me who are with me today in this live class where we are going to solve the questions which came in previous year JNU CEEB paper. So please tell me guys who are with me today. Today we are going to solve some questions which came in previous year JNU CEEB papers. Please tell me guys who are with me. Please reply. So it was on demand because some of you requested me to upload videos on previous year question papers of JNU CEEB. GAT-B 2020 is going to be held in a very few days or in coming months. So tell me guys who are with me today. Okay, Shagoto, hi. So tell me guys who else are with me, and I'll start with the questions. Tell me who else are with me. Today we are going to solve previous year papers of JNU CEEB. Hello everyone. Tell me how many of you are with me. Should I proceed? I think I should start solving the questions. So here is our first question. Here two graphs are given where you are asked to find, actually not two graphs, four graphs are given where you are asked to find which one is e to the power x, which one is e to the power minus x, which one is log of x, and which one is log of minus 1 by x. Okay, so first tell me guys which one is correct answer in your opinion. Please tell me. What do you think? Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Option B tells that one, that is this curve. This curve is e to the power x. This is e to the power minus x. This is log of 1 by x, and this is log of x. Okay, this is option 1 or option A. Okay, option A. Now option B tells it is e to the power minus x, it is e to the power x, it is log of 1 by x, it is log of x, and so on. So tell me which option is our correct option. Please tell me guys which option is correct. What do you think? Tell me which is our correct option for this question. Okay, I think I should proceed with the answers. First of all, I think all of us know about the logarithmic curve of coronavirus, right? Corona infection nowadays. So how it looks, guys? It looks like looks like this, right? It looks like this, right? This is the typical plot which we want nowadays. So this is our log of x. Okay, so it is logarithmic curve, and the opposite of this, that is sorry, it is not the one. Okay. Sorry, something was disturbing. The pen was disturbing. Okay. No, this is taking autocorrect, I think. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on a second. I should change it. Okay, so this is log of 1 by x. Okay, this curve is of log of 1 by x. Okay, if this is x-axis, this y-axis is representing log of 1 by x, then this curve represents log of 1 by x, and this curve represents log of x. Okay, so from this we can be sure that this number 3 is of log x curve, and number 4 is log of 1 by x curve, right? And these two curves, that is number 1 and number 2, these two curves represent, see, number 1 represents, this is the exponential curve. Okay, exponential curve, that is e to the power x, and this is exponential decay. Okay, this is exponential decay. That means this is e to the power minus x. So this number 1 is e to the power x, number 2 is e to the power minus x, number 3 is log of x. Number 4 is log of 1 by x. Okay, is it clear everyone? Please reply. Have you any doubt? Have you any doubt here? Please tell me. So our correct option, now tell me which one is our correct option. Our correct option here is option C, right? Option C, that is 1 represents, graph 1 represents e to the power x, 2 represents e to the power minus x, 3 represents log of x, and 4 represents log of 1 by x, right? So option C is our correct option. Okay. Have you any doubt, guys? Please tell me. Okay, Shaguto? Okay. Now, I should go for the next problem. Okay. Now, this is a similar kind of problem where we have to know about the waveforms of these functions, right? Sine function, cos function, tangent functions, and linear and non-linear functions, right? We should know about these things. So now tell me which should be the correct option for this question. That is question number 56. Which should be the correct option? Please tell me, guys, which should be the correct option? So here I should once tell the question for you. So here 5 functions are given. Number 1 is sine omega t. Number 2 sine omega t plus cos omega t. Number 3 t cube plus t square. Number 4 tan omega t plus sec omega t. Number 5 log e base omega t. Okay. Now you are asked which of the above represents periodic motion. Okay, which of the above represents periodic motion? So option A is only one, that is only sine omega t. Option B is only 1 and 2, that is sine omega t and sine omega t plus cos omega t. Option C 1, 2 and 4. Option D 3 and 5. Now tell me which should be the correct answer for this question. Please tell me which should be the correct answer for this question. Which should be the correct answer for this question? Please tell me which should be the correct answer for this question. Now, here we all know that sine omega t means if this is our x-axis that represents, that is omega t, which is omega t, and if it is sine of omega t, now here the sine function is like this, right? That is, it repeats itself after a certain time, that is after this time this portion is repeated, right? This portion is repeated. After certain time this portion is repeated. Okay, hi Molaya. Your answer is option A, that is only sine omega t. Is it so? Only sine omega t is periodic motion? I think I should show you something. Okay, I think I should show you something. For that I should, okay. See here, if we search sine of x here, okay, let's see what we get. This is our sine x, curve for sine x, right? Now next, if we search for sine, okay, here it is sine x plus cos x. See, this is the curve for sine x plus cos x, which is again periodic, right? That is, it repeats itself after a certain time. It repeats itself after a certain time. Okay, now if we go for the next, that is not t cube plus t square, but tan omega t plus sec omega t, right? That is tan x plus sec x. So let it be tan, okay, tan x plus sec x, okay. See here, it is again repeated after a certain time, okay. If we only consider the graph of tan x, it will give us this, and if we go for tan x plus sec x, it is again almost in the form of tan x, right? So it is again periodic. It is again periodic. So from here we can understand that these three options, that is option, sorry, not these three options, but these three functions, that is 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4, all of these are periodic in nature, okay, periodic in nature. But these 3 and 4, these two are non-periodic. That is, it will not repeat itself after certain time. Okay, let's see if we have anything here. T cube plus t plus t square, okay. See, this is the plot for t cube plus t square. That means it will not repeat itself after certain time, okay. So from these things we can say, that is, these functions, that is these sinusoidal functions that include sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot, it will give you periodic functions, okay. These combination of functions will give you periodic motion, and this will give you periodic motion, okay. This will give you periodic motion, okay, and this will not give you periodic motion. And the graph for log omega t is similar to the previous one, that is this one, okay, which is not periodic in nature. So I hope you can now understand why the option C is our correct answer. That is, only 1, 2 and 4 represents periodic motion. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Please tell me Is it clear to everyone? Yes, Molaya and Shaguto, not Molaya but Shaguto, your answer is correct. Option C is the correct answer. Now, is it clear to everyone? Should I proceed to the next question? Please tell me. Please tell me, guys. Okay, Shaguto. So, our next question is this one, where you are asked to find which of the following equations are linear. Okay? Which of the following are the examples of linear system? Now, please tell me which of the following are linear system. Here we all know about this, that this is our linear equation, right? Y equal mx plus c. We use this formula so so frequently that we know this is our correct option. But 1 is common in every option, right? Number 1 is common in every option. So we need to know that which equations of these among these are correct, that is linear. Okay, tell me your answer. What do you think? Please tell me your answer. What do you think? Okay, Maulaya, your answer is 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. That means your answer is option B. Okay, let's see. Please tell me, guys, who else want to answer this question? Okay, see, if we simplify the next one, that is y equal mx plus 3x plus c, it will give us m plus 3 multiplied by x plus c, right? Now what is m? What is m? M was the slope, right? M is the slope, which is just a number, right? Just a number. So it is here y is proportional to x, right? Because c is a number, m plus 3 is a constant number, right? So y is proportional to x. If y is proportional to x, that means this system is linear, right? Because here also y is proportional to x. So this is again our linear system, example of linear system. That means it is our option. Now next, that is 3. Okay, here y equal mx plus ln x plus c. Now see, ln x, what ln x means? Ln x means log e best x, that is, it is a logarithmic function. Now a logarithmic function is never a linear function. Okay, logarithmic function is not a linear function. So since here this log of x, that is logarithmic function of x, is introduced, so it will not be our correct answer. Okay, now next one is y equal mx root over x plus c. Okay, y equal mx plus root over x plus c. Now this root, what this root means? This root means x to the power half, right? X to the power half. Here we have x to the power 1 plus x to the power half plus c. That means we can't simplify it as y proportional to x, right? That means it will not be linear. It will not be linear. Okay. Here we can see just an example of linear system, that is where y proportional to x. It is like this curve. It is like, sorry, it bent, but it will not bend. It is just this, a straight line. Okay, it is a linear system. The equation of it is linear, and it will give us y proportional to x, and this is again a linear where y is equal to constant. Okay, but here it gives us y equal mx plus x to the power half plus c. That means it will not give us a linear system. It will not give us a linear system. So option B is our correct answer. That is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. That is Shagoto and Molaya. Both are correct. Okay. So is it clear to everyone? Any doubt here? Any doubt, please tell me. If you have any doubt, please tell me. So should I proceed to the next question? Please tell me. Should I proceed to the next question? Okay. See, this is our next question. If 2x minus y equals 5, what is the value of 9 to the power x by 3 to the power y? Okay, so can you solve this question? Then tell me the answer. This is actually very easy. So can you tell me the correct answer? Please tell me. Please try, guys. What should be the correct answer for this question? Tell me. What should be the correct answer for this question? Here an equation is given, a relation is given where the relation between x and y is given, and you are asked to find the value of 9 to the power x and 3 to the power y. Okay, you are asked to find 9 to the power x by 3 to the power y. This is equal to what? Okay, now tell me what would be the answer. See, here it is 9 and this is 3, right? Now we can simplify 9 to the power x to 3 to the power twice x, right? By 3 to the power y, that means by 3 to the power y, right? And from this we can have 2x minus y equal 5 gives us y equal 2x minus 5, that is 3 to the power 2x by 3 to the power 2x minus 5, that is equal to 3 to the power 2x minus, sorry, okay, 3 to the power 2x minus 2x plus 5, right? So it will give us 3 to the power 5. Okay, it will give us 3 to the power 5. So the correct answer is option A, 3 to the power 5. Now, is it clear, everyone? Malaya is telling that if we simplify 9x by 3y, it will become 3 to the power 2x minus y. Yeah, 3 to the power 2x minus y. Right, exactly. So it will give us 3 to the power 5. Okay. Should I go to the next question? Is it clear, everyone? Shagoto and others, please tell me, is it clear? Any doubt? Anyone? Please tell me. I think I should proceed. Okay. Next question is this. The question is, if two squares of sides 300 millimeter and 400 millimeter are merged together to form a new square having area equal to the sum of given squares, what will be its side? Okay. So please try, guys. What will be the answer? The correct option. Please tell me what will be the correct option. What will be the correct option? Please tell me. See, we have two squares. This square, suppose its area is A1. Okay, its area is A1 and its side is 300 mm. There is 300 millimeter. Okay, so we know the area of square is equals area of a square is equal its side square, right? Square of its sides, that is here 300 square. Okay, now it is merged with another square of side 400 millimeter. Okay, 400 millimeter. So let's say its area is A2. So A2 is 400 square. Now this is merged to form a new square. It gives us a big square, not so big, but okay. So its area, suppose A, its area, suppose its sides are S. Okay, sides are S. So its area A is equal S square. Okay, S square. Now we are informed that the area of new square, okay, area of new square is equal to the sum of given squares. That is, A is equal to A1 plus A2. That is equal to 300 square plus 400 square. That is equal to, taking 100 square common, that means 3 square plus 4 square, right? That is, now this A is equal to S square, right? So we have S equal root over 100 square multiplied by 3 square plus 4 square, right? That means 100 multiplied by 3 square plus 4 square, root over 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16, root over 25, right? That means That means 5. That means 500 millimeter. So our correct answer is option A, 500 millimeter. Okay, is it clear everyone? Please tell me. Yes, Malaya, your answer is correct. It is option A, 500 millimeter. Okay, tell me others, please, if you have any doubt. Okay, Shagoto. Okay, I think I should go to the next question. Is it clear everyone? Others? Except Malaya and Shagoto? Okay. Now the next question is this one. Here the question is, it is given that the ratio of the circumference and diameter of a circle of radius 2 cm is R. How will the ratio change if it is calculated for a larger circle of radius 4 cm? Okay. So the option is, it will become 4R, it will become 2R, option B. Option C, it will remain R, and option D, it will become R by 2. Okay. Please tell me which option should be correct. What are your answers, guys? Please tell me. Okay, hi Shahil. You are our new viewer. Okay. So tell me, what should be the correct answer? What should be the correct answer? Which one? Okay, so we have a circle whose radius is 2 cm. Okay. Now, okay, we have Malaya's answer. Malaya's answer is option C. It will remain R. Okay, let's see what others' answers are. Okay, Rituparna, hi. Your answer is also C. Okay. So here we have the circumference by diameter. Circumference by diameter as the ratio of circumference and diameter is R. Okay. That is 2 pi multiplied by 2 cm by the radius, that means again 2 cm, right? This ratio is equal to, now it is not diameter, it is not radius, it is diameter, that means 2 multiplied by 2, right? So it is equal to R. Okay. So if we don't put the value of radius here, the radius is capital R, that means 2 pi capital R by 2 capital R, that is equal to R. So we have the value of R as equal to pi, because it will cancel out and we will have R equal pi. Now all these are not needed, actually not needed. Why? Because again you are asked that how will the ratio change if it is calculated for the larger circle. That is, we are again asked to calculate the ratio. of the larger circle. So let's say the radius of the larger circle is again r prime. Okay, now it is r prime. So 2 pi r prime by 2 r prime, right? So the radius, so the ratio of circumference and diameter will give us again pi, right? Now what is pi? Pi is simply r. Okay, so it will remain r, for whatever the radius be. It will remain r. So the correct answer is option C. It will remain r. So your answers are correct. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, Malaya. The ratio will always be pi, and pi is equal to r here, so it will remain r. So I think you have no doubt, and I should proceed to the next question. So here is our next question. So here a figure is given and there are 4 circles upon which a square is drawn. ABCD is a square of side 20 centimeter, and area of the shaded region, we have to find the area of the shaded region, that is this region. We have to find the area of this region. Okay, so tell me what will be the correct option for this question. Tell me what will be the correct option for this question. What is the correct answer? So first, let us calculate. Should I wait for your answer? Should I wait for your answer, or should I proceed? Okay, let's wait for your answer for a little time. See, here the radius, suppose it is r is 20 centimeter, right? So what will be the area of the radius? The area of the radius is pi r square, right? Pi r square. Let's don't calculate it right now. See, if the area of this whole circle is pi r square, then what will be this area? This area, this is simply pi r square by 4, right? Because this is 1/4 of this whole circle, right? This is 1/4 of this whole circle. So this is pi r square by 4. Now it is repeated 4 times because there are 4 circles. So this is repeated 4 times. That is this one, this one, this one, and this one, right? This is repeated 4 times. That means the total area of this shaded, this yellow shaded region, right? The total area of this yellow shaded region is equal to pi r square by 4 multiplied by 4, that is again pi r square, right? Now tell me what will be the area of this square. What will be the area of this square? Okay, I think I made a mistake. Yes, here it is given that the square of side 20 centimeter. That means r is not 20. Okay, r is 20 by 2, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, r is 10 centimeter and the side of square is 20 centimeter. So tell me what will be the area of the square. There is suppose AS. What will be AS? So AS equal to side square, that means 20 square, right? 20 square. Now we have calculated this region. Right? This region, which is equal to pi r square, right? It is equal to pi r square. Now we need to find what is the value of this region. Right? Sorry, something. We need to find the value of this region. Okay, I hope you understand what I was going to tell you. So the value of this region, that is equal to, suppose this is delta A. Now delta A is equal to A minus AS minus A. Now what is AS? AS is the area of the whole square, that is 20 square, minus A, that is pi r square, that means this area, right? So pi r square. Now this is equal to 400 minus, what is pi? Pi means 3.14. Now 3.14 multiplied by what is r? 10 centimeter, right? So 10 square, that means 100. So it will give us 400 minus 314, that is equal to 86 centimeter square, right? It is equal to 86 centimeter square. That means option C is the correct answer. So let's see what are your answers. What are your answers? So your answer is option C, 86 centimeter. Rituparna and Malaya, option C is correct answer. So others, is it clear? Any doubt? Please tell me. Is it clear, everyone? Have you any doubt? Anyone? Should I proceed to the next question? If you have any doubt, please tell me. This is a very interesting question. Just read it with me. Read it with me, okay? So here the question seems to be very clumsy and difficult and a lot of things, but it is actually very easy. Just read with me. Okay. Legendary Indian mathematician Bhaskaracharya posed the following problem to his daughter Leelavati. Okay. A fifth part of a swarm of bees comes to rest on the flowers of the kadamba. A third on the flowers of the cylinder. 3 times the difference between these two numbers flew over the flower of a krutaja, and one bee alone, attracted by the perfume of a jasmine in bloom, remained in the air. Tell me, beautiful girl, how many bees were there in the swarm? And the options are 5, 10, 15 and 20. Now tell me, what are your answers, guys? Please tell me, what are your answers? Is it very difficult or is it very easy? Tell me, what are your answers? I'll give you 1 minute, exactly 1 minute, to tell me if it is easy to solve for you or it is hard. Please tell me. Should I proceed or should I wait for you to solve? Should I proceed? So here it is very easy. Should I proceed or not? I am waiting, guys, for your answers. Please solve this question and tell me which one is the correct answer, or at least tell me if you are trying to solve this question. Are you trying to solve this question? Should I wait or should I proceed? Okay, I think I should proceed. Right? I think I should proceed. Okay. So, here, first of all, suppose the total number is n. Okay. Suppose the total number is n. So, it is said that fifth part of the swarm of bees, that is n by 5. Okay. Fifth part of the swarm of bees come to rest on the flowers of kadamba. Okay. And third on the flowers of the cylinder. That means n by 3. Plus 3 times the difference between these two numbers, that is 3 multiplied by, now which one is greater among n by 3 and n by 5? This one is greater, right? That means n by 3 minus n by 5. Since 3 is greater than 5, that means n by 3 is greater than n by 5, right? So n by 3 minus n by 5 is the positive difference among these two. So 3 times the difference between these two numbers flew over the flower of krutaja, and one bee along, there is plus 1, along, attracted by the perfume of a jasmine in bloom, remained in the air. Okay, so this is the total number of bees, that is equal to n, right? This is equal to n. Now if we simplify it, what we get n by 5 plus n by 3 plus n minus 3 by 5n plus 1 equal n. Now we can cancel n from both sides, right? So it will give us, I'm writing it here, so it will give us n by 5 minus 3n by 5 plus n by 3 equal minus 1, right? So it will give us, what we get is minus 2 by 5 n plus n by 3 equal minus 1, right? That means we get 5n minus 6n equal minus 15. See, and we get minus n equal minus 15. That means we get n equal 15. That means this is our total number of bees. That means our correct option is option C, 15. Isn't it easy? It is very easy, right? It was very easy. Tell me, have you enjoyed this problem? Tell me guys, was it funny and easy at the same time? Please reply. Have you any doubt? Anyone? Anyone any doubt? Please tell me. If anyone have any doubt, please tell me. Okay, Malaya. Okay, Malaya, tell me, could you solve it by your own? Was it very hard at first? Okay, so I'm going to the next problem. See, this is our next problem. Here you are asked to find the arithmetic mean of first 1000 natural numbers. It is very easy. We all have done these type of problems in our schools, right? So tell me, what is the correct answer? Please tell me guys, what is the correct answer for this problem? What is the arithmetic mean of first 1000 natural numbers? What is the arithmetic mean of first 1000 natural numbers? What is the arithmetic mean of first 1000 natural numbers? So the formula for calculating arithmetic mean of first n natural numbers, what is it? It is, first of all, what is the sum of first n natural numbers? Yeah, Shaguto. Okay, your phone hanged. Okay, it is okay. It is all right. You can revisit this video later, today or tomorrow, and see the problems again. Okay, so your answer is option C. Malaya and Shagato's answers are option C, that is 500.5. So let's solve this question. So if we add first n natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 up to n, it will be equal to n times n plus 1 by 2. Okay, and the arithmetic mean of first n natural numbers is equal to n times n plus 1 by 2 by n, right? That means n times n plus 1 by twice n, that is n plus 1 by 2, right? And if we put n equal 1000 here, so we get 1000 plus 1 by 2, that is 1001 by 2, that is 500.5. This is our correct answer, that is option C is the correct answer here. 500.5. 500.5. Okay, option C is our correct answer. It was very easy. It was really very easy. We all have done this type of problems in our school life. Okay, I don't think you have any doubt, and I am proceeding to the next question. And this is our next question. So let's see how many of you can solve this problem. So here the question is to find the unit digit in the number 289 to the power 3763. Now you may tell me that we can find it in our calculator. No, it will not provide the answer for this question. You can try it in your calculator, but it will show you error because this number, that is 289 to the power 3763, it is a very big number and you can't find the value of it. So how to solve this kind of problems? How to find the unit digit in the number 289 to the power 3763? Okay, Malaya's option is option D. Malaya's answer is option D, that is 9. So what are others' answers? Tell me, what are others' answers? Malaya's answer is option D, that is 9. What are others' answers? Please tell me. So first of all, what is this unit digit? Okay, what is unit digit? Unit digit means unit place. That is, if we have the number, suppose 725. Okay, the unit digit here is 5. This is the unit place or unit digit. Okay, so you are asked to find the digit in the unit place, right? So let's see here, 289 to the power 3763. This is our number, right? Which we can't calculate in the calculator. Now how to find it? So we have to find the unit digit of 9 to the power 3763. 9 to the power 3763. Okay. Now what will it give? See, if we calculate 9 to the power 1, what it gives? 9. If we calculate 9 to the power 2, that is 9 square, it is 81. If we calculate 9 to the power 3, what it gives us? it will give us, let's calculate 9 times 81, that is 729. Okay, 729. Now 9 to the power 4 times 9 means 6561. Okay, and if we calculate so on, so see what is common here. Sorry. See, if it is odd number, if the power is odd number, okay, it will give us 9. The unit digit is 9, right? See, 1, 3. If we calculate 9 to the power 5, it will also give us something 9. Okay, so it will give us 9 if it is odd, and if it is even, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, it will give us 1. Okay, it will give us 1. You may calculate the higher numbers also, 9 to the power 6 and so on, for your better understanding. Okay, so here the number is 3763. Okay, the power is 3763. 9 to the power 3763, which is odd number, right? It is odd number. It is odd number. That means the unit digit is 9. That is option D is the correct answer. Is it clear, everyone? No. It is not due to last number. No, Shagoto, it is not due to last number. See the explanation. We have to take in mind this thing. That is, if we suppose we have to find the unit digit of 7 to the power something 1, 2, 3 or dot, then what we have to calculate first, we have to calculate 7 to the power 1, 7 to the power 2, 7 to the power 3, 7 to the power 4 and so on, and then we can find what is the order of repetition. The unit digits are repeated. Okay, these unit digits are repeated after a certain time. Okay, see here, this repeats after 2. Okay, 2 times. So in case of 7, I think it is after 4 times. Okay, so it repeats itself. The orders are repeated after a certain time. So first calculate the order, then we can find the unit digit in the given number. Is it clear, everyone? Please tell me. Have you any doubt? I'll make a separate video on how to find the unit digit of a number. Okay, I'll make a separate video on it with lots of examples, because these type of questions are very common in these type of competitive exams in JNU CEEB and others also. So should I proceed to the next question? I think I should. So this is our next question, and it is again very interesting and funny. So tell me, which one is the correct answer? Tell me which one is the correct answer. This is very interesting, very funny also. So, in the question is typical velocity magnitudes of some of the moving objects are enlisted in the following table. A. Moving bacterium. B. Snail space. C. Olympic runner. D. Electron orbiting in a hydrogen atom. E. Light traveling in vacuum. And another column is 1, 2 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second, 2, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, 3, 1 millimeter per second, 4, 100 micrometer per second, 5, 10 meter per second. So the question is, which of the following represents the most appropriate match between above two columns? Okay. So tell me, which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? That is, which is the correct match, appropriate match for this table, given table? Tell me, which is the appropriate match, which is the correct answer for this given table? Please tell me, guys, which is the correct answer for this given table? Which is the correct answer for this given table? First of all, we all know, or I think we all remember, that light traveling in vacuum has the maximum speed in universe, right? Nothing in this universe, our known universe of course, nothing in our known universe can have more speed or more velocity than light, and it is equal to this number, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, here see, this is the maximum velocity, right? This is the maximum velocity given in these options. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second is the maximum number, right? So this is the velocity of light in vacuum. Velocity of light in vacuum is C equal 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the velocity of light in vacuum. Okay. Now you can, or you may or may not remember this value, but you have to remember that light has maximum speed or maximum velocity in vacuum. Okay, so if you remember that, then you may know that E corresponds to 2. Okay, now what is the next obvious? C. You may know, you may not know about electron orbiting in a hydrogen atom. You may not know about the order of Olympic runner, the velocity of order of Olympic runner, right? And a snail space and a moving bacterium, right? But you know that the size of bacteria, a size of bacteria is of the order of not even millimeter. We cannot see a bacteria, right? We cannot see bacteria. It is not visible to our eyes. That means it should be the minimum velocity, right? The minimum velocity. That means 100 micrometer per second. It is for A. That is, A is 4. Okay. So the velocity of a moving bacterium is 100 micrometer per second. Okay. Now next, see a snail space, right? Snail space. Okay. It is, we know that a snail is very slow, always slow. Slow is slower than anything, right? That means it will not move. But we can see a smell. Snail is visible to our eyes, right? So how much it can move? It cannot move in a so high speed, and it will not. It cannot move in a high speed, right? 10 meter per second is quite high. But it can move with a very low speed, very slow, very slow. That is 1 millimeter per second, right? 1 millimeter per second means from here to here, right? From here to here, or less than this, right? 1 millimeter is so small distance covered in 1 second, 1 millimeter per second. That means option B is connected to option 3. B is option 3. Okay. Now next one. See, 2 into 10 to the power 6 meter. 2 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Now what is 10 to the power 6? 10 to the power 6 means mega, right? That means 2 megameter per second. Can a human being in this universe, in this world, in this earth, move with so high speed? Even not an Olympic runner, right? Not Olympic runner, right? So this option is related to D, right? Electron orbiting in a hydrogen atom, and Olympic runner's speed should be 10 meter per second. That is, C should be 5 and D should be 1. So the correct answer is 2, 1, 5, 3, 4. That is option D. That is option D is our correct answer. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear, guys? Please tell me. Any doubt? Anyone? Have you any doubt? Please tell me. Have you any doubt? Please tell me. Is it clear to everyone? Please reply, guys. Is it clear to everyone? Should I proceed to the next question? Should I proceed to the next problem? It was a very funny and easy and easy question, actually. Very easy question. And a funny question, actually. A little bit. So, is it clear to everyone? Have you any doubt? Yes, a quite easy question. Okay. This is the next question. A population of insects hatched in the spring t equals 0 has an initial size of 10 million and a specific death rate of 0.5 per month. What will be the population size after 2 months? What will be the population size after 2 months? So tell me, what will be the correct answer for this question? So here option A is 3.67 million, option B 1.35 million, option C 6.06 million, option D 5 million. So tell me what will be the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Please tell me, guys. What is the correct answer for this question? What is the correct answer for this question? Please tell me what is the correct answer for this question. See, here at t equals 0, at t equals 0, at t equals 0, the initial size is 10 million. 10 million, okay? Okay. The death rate is, suppose it is k. Okay, the rate is k, 0.5 per month. The total time after 2 months, so the total time after which we have to find the total number or total size is 2 months. Okay, now let's say the number after this time, there is t, is nt. Okay, and we have to find this nt. What is this nt? So tell me, guys, what is this nt? What is the value of this nt? Tell me what is the value of nt. Do you remember the formula? Do you remember the nature of this kind of problems, this kind of population or problems, right? Here the initial size is 10 million, and in each month the death rate is 0.5. Okay, that means this is a decay function. This is a decay function. The exponential decay function. Okay, exponential decay function. Okay, the formula is nt equal n0 e to the power minus kt. That means if we put the values, then 10 multiplied by exponential of minus k means 0.5 times 2, that is 10 multiplied by e to the power minus 1, or 10 by e, that is equal to, if we calculate it, it will give us approximately 3.67. It will give us approximately 3.67. Okay, you may calculate it in your own calculators, and you can find that the value is approximately 3.67 or 3.67. Okay, so the correct answer here is option A, that is 3.67 million. 3.67 million is our correct answer. That is option A is our correct answer. So, have you any doubt regarding this kind of problems? This problem? See, this is a very common question in competitive exams. This formula is well known. This is our first order decay function. Okay. So, have you any doubt, guys? Have you any doubt regarding this question? Please tell me. Have you any doubt? Should I proceed to the next question? See, this is our next question. Okay. This is typically from physics part. At last we came to a physics problem from physics portion. Okay. So here given is two bodies having masses m1 and m2 have equal kinetic energies. Then you have to find the ratio of their momentum. Okay, ratio of their momentum. Tell me what will be the answer, which is the correct option for this question. Please tell me which is the correct answer for this question. Please tell me which is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So first of all, what is the relation between kinetic energy and momentum? Okay, kinetic energy and momentum. See, we know that the formula for kinetic energy is Ek equal half mv square, right? And momentum is m times v. Here v is the velocity of the mass or the particle or the body, whatever you say. Okay, so m is mass and v is velocity. Okay, these are the two formulae for energy and momentum, right? For finding energy, kinetic energy and momentum, linear momentum. Okay, so if we multiply m above and up and down, then we get it as p square by m, right? That is p square by twice m. Then the formula is Ek equal p square by twice m. This is the formula for kinetic energy and momentum, relation of kinetic energy and momentum, right? So if we have the kinetic energy of first body is E1 and the second body is E2, then E1 is equal to E2 because we have equal kinetic energies, right? So E1 equal E2, that means P1 square by twice M1 equal P2 square by twice M2, right? So we can take it as P1 square by P2 square equal M1 by M2, right? That means P1 by P2 equal M1 by M2 to the power half, right? Root over M1 by M2 or M1 by M2 to the power half, right? So the ratio of the their momentum is option C, M1 by M2 to the power half. M1 by M2 to the power half. Yes, Shagoto, you're right. It is option C. It is option C, m1 by m2 to the power half. So, is it clear, everyone? Have you any doubt? Anyone? Anyone? Any doubt? Please tell me. It is very easy actually. It was a very easy problem, very easy question. So I'm going to the next question. See this one. Okay, the question is a 5 rupee coin of weight 20 gram is dropped from the top of the Qutub Minar, height of 73 meters, assuming that it falls freely from rest. What will be its position after 1.0 second? That is 1 second. Given g equal 9.8 meter per second square. That is, we know that the gravitational acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square. And the options are 4.9 meter, option is 4.9 meter, option B 9.8 meter, option C 19.6 meter, option D 29.4 meter. So tell me, which is the correct answer? Which is the correct option for this question? Please tell me which is the correct option for this question. So we are left with a few questions today. I'll not discuss a lot more today because it's already 1.5 hour, more than 1.5 hour actually. We are left with a few questions because time is limited. Today time is limited. So tell me, which is the correct answer? Please tell me which is the correct answer. We are actually solving these problems from JNU CEEB 2018. These problems came in the year 2018. It was very hard to find these questions because it is not available so much in internet, and I really suffered a lot to arrange these question papers. So please tell me, what is the correct answer for this question? What is the correct answer for this question? Please tell me. Have you solved this problem? Or should I solve it? Okay, I think I should proceed. See, here given is m equal 20 gram. Okay, m is 20 grams. Okay, and height of Qutub Minar is h equals 73 meters. Okay, height of Qutub Minar is h equal to 73 meters. Okay, so as it falls freely from rest, that means u equal 0. Since it falls from rest, so u equals 0, it is u. Okay, u equals 0, and as it falls freely, that means g is the acceleration, total acceleration, that is 9.8 meter per second square, right? We don't know v, it is not known. Okay, and we are asked to find the position after time t, that is t equal 1 second. Okay, we are asked to find the position after time t equal 1 second. Now tell me, which is our correct answer? 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 See, I hope you remember the equations of motion. There is P equal U plus Ft. Here I should not take it as F, since we are dealing with free fall, right? So we should use V equal U plus Gt. V square equal U square plus 2GH, and H equal UT plus half Ft square, that means GT square, right? These are the formulae for, these are the equations of motion, right? For free fall, these are the equations. So here we don't know the value of V. That means we cannot use these two. We simply cannot use these two. You have to remember these three formulae, okay? Among these three, these two equations are not needed here, but we can use this one. So if we put the value of H, U, G here, let's see what we get. H is 73, U is 0, that means this term gets 0, plus half G, that means 9.8 times T, right? Now this is, I'm continuing it here. This is that means 73 equal 9.8 by 2T. That is sorry, I'm taking it wrong. Sorry. I should find the value of H actually. I should find the value of H. See, here T is given. I don't need to find the value of T. I have to find the value of H. Okay, what is H? What is H? We have to find the value of H. There is the position after 1 second. Okay, we have to find the value of H after 1 second. So if I put U equals 0, T equal 1, G is 9.8 and T as 1, then we get 9.8 by 2, that is 4.9 meter, right? 4.9 meter. So let's read it again. A 5 rupee coin of weight 20 gram is dropped from the top of a Qutub Minar, height of 73 meters. Assuming that it falls freely from rest, what will be its position after 1 second? Okay, so after, if it is the Qutub Minar and from here a ball is dropped, a coin is dropped, so it covers this distance, then this is H equal 4.9 meters after 1 second. Okay, so answer is option A, 4.9 meters. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Have you any doubt? Please tell me, have you any doubt? Is it clear, everyone? Should I proceed to the next question? So here our correct option is option A, 4.9 meters. 4.9 meters. Should I proceed to the next question? Hi Archishmita. Welcome to our channel. You are a new viewer here. Okay. So let's proceed to the next question. See, it's a funny question again. It's here. The question is, if a kangaroo jumps to a height of 4.9 meter, what would be his takeoff speed? Given value of g 9.8 meter per second square. And the options given here are 96.04 meter per second, option B is 48.02 meter per second, option C 9.8 meter per second, option D 4.9 meter per second. Okay, so tell me which one is the correct answer here. Please tell me which one is the correct answer here, correct option. See here, a kangaroo, I can't draw it, but I can draw a man, suppose it's a man. You can take it as a kangaroo. So it jumps to a height of 4.9 meter. Okay, it jumps to a height of 4.9 meter. Okay, so if it jumps to this height, then this is its maximum height. If h equals 4.9 meter, then at the maximum height, what would be the speed of it? Speed or velocity, whatever you say, it will be 0, right? It's 0, right? It will be 0. So at this point, v is 0. Now, since it is under gravitation, so our gravitational acceleration, that is g, is 9.8 meter per second square. It is our acceleration. Now you were asked to find his, that means the kangaroo's takeoff speed, that means the initial speed, that is what is u. What is u? You are asked to find u, the initial speed or takeoff speed, whatever you say. So again, remember these three equations: v equal u plus gt, v square equal u square plus 2gh, h equal ut plus half gt square. It was g here. Okay, so here the only difference is this plus will become minus in this question, because the velocity falls as the kangaroo goes up. Okay, so the equations become v equal u minus gt, v square equal u square minus 2gh, h equal ut minus half gt square. Okay, so if we use this formula, now why this formula? See, we have g, we have h and our v is 0, so we can easily use this formula to find our unknown u, right? We don't have t, that is, we don't know after which time the kangaroo stops, or the kangaroo reaches the maximum height. We don't know the time, right? So if we use this formula, we get 0 square equal u square minus 2 multiplied by 9.8 multiplied by 4.9, right? So we get u equal root over, this implies u equal root over 2 multiplied by 4.9 multiplied by 9.8, that means 2 multiplied by 4.9, right? That is root over 9.8 square, that is equal to 9.8. So we even don't need a calculator to solve this problem. So our answer is option C, 9.8 meter per second. Yes, Shaguto and Archishmita, your answer is correct. It is option C, 9.8 meter per second. So let's go to the next problem. See, here the question is, while doing chin-ups, an exerciser lifts his body of mass 70 kg to 0.3 meters in 2 seconds. Calculate the power delivered by his biceps. Okay, so tell me what should be the answer. Is it 52.5 watts, 105 watts, 210 watts, 700 watts? Which is the correct option? So here we have m equals 70 kg, s equal 0.3 meters, t equal 2 seconds, g equal 10 meter per second square, and we have to find what power is delivered by his biceps. Power delivered by his biceps. Please tell me which one is the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Now, what is power? Right? What is power? What is power? We know that power is work by time, per unit time. Work done per unit time. Right? Now, what is work done? Work done is equal to force multiplied by distance. Okay, power is work done by time. Now work done is force multiplied by distance. Right? Now what is force? Here force is gravitational force. Gravitational force. Okay, the gravitational force which is equal to mg. So So F is m times g times s divided by t. Okay. So we have the formulae, that is P equal W by T, that is power equal work done by time, W equal force times displacement, right? And force, for gravitational force, it is gravitational force, right? G is given, and it is uh, given that the exerciser lifts his body, that means the force is gravitational force, right? The force acting is gravitational force, that means F equal mg. So using these formulae, just remembering these basic formulae, we can solve this problem. Let's see. So if we put m equal 70 kg, g equal 10 meter per second square, s equal 0.3 meters by t means 2 seconds, then tell me what is the answer for this question. Please tell me what is the answer for this question. What will be the answer for this question? If we calculate it, see, 10 times 0.3, that means 3. 3 times 70, that means 210 by 2, that is 105 watt. So the correct answer is option B, 105 watts. This is our correct answer. Okay, is it clear everyone? Please tell me. It was quite easy, actually, very easy. Just you have to remember these three formulae, which are very basic. So let's proceed to the next problem. This is the second last question. I'll discuss one more question actually. So here the question is, to completely melt 50 grams of ice, what will be the minimum amount of liquid water required at 30 degrees? Specific heat capacity of liquid water is 4.18 joule per gram per degree Celsius. Specific heat of fusion of ice is 333 joule per gram. So we have a certain amount of ice. It is 50 gram. Okay. We have to melt this. We have to melt this. That means we need heat, which is equal to H. H equal. See, we know H equal MST, but we have to melt it, right? That means if it is at 0 degree Celsius, then we need latent heat, right? Or we can say that this is equal to, H is equal to 50 times 333. This is our ml, right? This is our ml. So it gives us the total heat which is needed to melt total heat needed to melt the ice, right? Now this heat is supplied by the amount of liquid water at 30 degrees. Okay, now H, suppose delta H. Okay, now let's write it delta H. Okay, so we know H is ms delta T, right? If S is specific heat, M is mass, and delta T is the change in temperature. That is, if the water is at 30 degrees Celsius and the mass of it is M and the specific it is S, then the heat produced by it will be used to melt this ice. Okay, so M here is unknown, S is 4.18 and delta T is 30 minus 0, that is 30. So 50 times 333 equal M times 4.18 times 30. That means M is 50 times 333 divided by 4.18 times 30. So it is equal to, tell me what we get from it. If we calculate 50 times 333 by 4.18 by 30, we get the answer as 132.775 grams. Okay, now here this answer is not available, but we have 133, right? That is, it approximately 133 grams. We need 133 grams of water, liquid water at 30 degrees. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next problem. This is again of the same type, and this is our last question which we're going to solve today. We solved these problems from the year 2018. These problems were from JNU CEEB 2018 paper. So this is the last question we are going to solve today. There are a lot of questions which I want to solve, but not today because we have a limited time. See, here the question is, which of the following is the best approximation of heat that is required to raise the temperature of 500 gram of water from 30 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius? Given the specific heat capacity of water is 4.18 joules per gram per degree Celsius. Options are 126 kilojoule, 63 kilojoule, 188 kilojoule, 12.6 kilojoule. So tell me guys, what should be the correct answer here? What should be the correct answer here? Tell me. See, these questions are from JNU CEEB 2018. Many of you actually requested me to solve these problems There is questions from previous year JNU CEEB papers, and initially it was not available to me, but I found these papers in internet finally, and arranged a class for you to discuss these kind of problems. And if you want me to solve many questions like this, to make videos or arrange live classes like this, please subscribe this channel, and you can share these videos with your friends so that it can be helpful for them also. So Archishmita answered this question. Her answer is 126 kilojoule, option A. So let's see, is it 126 kilojoule? So we have water of 500 gram. The mass is 500 gram. Okay, and we have to calculate the heat, and we discussed the formula of heat required to raise the temperature, that is ms delta T, right? So if we put m equal 500, s equal 4.18 and T equal 90 minus 30, then we get 500 times 4.18 times 60, and it is equal to 125,400 joules. This is equal to 125,000 joules. That is equal to 125.4 kilojoules, right? But it is not in the answer. But we are asked to find best approximation of heat, right? Best approximation of heat. That is, it is nearly equal to 126 kilojoule. That is option A, and our correct answer is option A, 126 kilojoule. That means Archishmita and Shagoto, both of you are correct. Okay, our answer is 126 kilojoule. Actually, we are left with a lot of questions, but for today we have a limited time, and if you want me to solve this kind of questions in the next class, please be with me. Okay, so I'll solve these problems in the next class, probably tomorrow. So please be with me, and if you want me to solve this kind of problems in your time, you can tell me which time is suitable for you guys. You can tell me your suitable time in the comment section. I can arrange live class at that time also. So it's all for today. If you like this class, please click on the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you are a new viewer, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ta-da!